Hello, YouTubers. I just want to say hello. This is Niler. Just want to let you know I am still among the living. I have been dealing with a few medical issues, and for the last 6+ months, I've been dealing with actually two breaks in my right foot. And I am right-handed, so I sew with my right foot, which prevents me from sewing like I want. And I have to limit my crafting because I have to keep my foot elevated most of the day. So I want to share with you some of my archived videos. I thought I lost them because my computer crashed. And since I was able to recover them, I now want to share them with you. So over the next few weeks, I'll be uploading these videos. So I hope that you continue watching, continue subscribing, and I hope you have a fabulous rest of the day. Happy sewing, crafting, and gardening.